Hello to all my friends who enjoy a good glass of wine. Jeff here. Welcome to my laundry room winery, where today I'm going to show you a process in winemaking that's called bâtonnage. This 55-gallon drum was the Merlot harvested 11 months ago. And along the way, we have to open it up and take this big spoon and stir the lees that are on the bottom to bring out that fruit flavor in the wine. The grapes were harvested last October, and it was very interesting because a freeze came through the valley and froze out the vines, leaving the fruit a little bit desiccated, and all of the leaves basically fell off the vines, making the picking really easy. We picked all the grapes, trucked them home here to West Seattle, ran them through the crush machine, which removes the stems from the berry, and then we put them into the giant primary fermenters where the fermentation process started. At this point of the process, what we need to do is open up the drum and stir the lees, reactivating the dead yeast cells and bringing out more fruit flavor. We need to sample along the way throughout the whole process. So today, I'm going to share a little bit of Merlot with my producer. Cheers. Oh boy, it's smelling really good. This is going to be excellent. I am really excited about this. Woo! Okay, now we're going to do bâtonnage. One of the most important things in winemaking is cleanliness. I have completely sterilized my bâtonnage baton. Now watch for the change in color as I begin the stirring process. Watch how the color changes as the sur-lie comes to the surface. Now all of that residual oxygen is coming out through the airlock. And that, my friends, is bâtonnage. In about a month's time, as the lees settle down into the bottom of the drum, I will be able to remove the wine and place it into an oak barrel for about a year. The wine will become more balanced, and it will have more of an oaky flavor as well. Thanks for joining me today for bâtonnage. I hope this has been fun and interesting. Until next time, thanks so much. I hope this has been fun and interesting. Until next time.